to today's vlog. It is 8:45 and we are about to go jet skiing. We're ready to go. We're just waiting on them to take us out there. This is the same place where we went paddleboarding at a couple days ago. So go check that vlog out if you haven't seen it already. Alright guys, we just finished jet skiing. I couldn't vlog obviously because they said you couldn't take your phones, but I could have.
We so could have taken the phone.
But we got a picture. So that's what counts. So we're done jet skiing. We're gonna go hang out at that little bar thing that we hung out last time.
I don't think we are.
Maybe we're not, I don't know, but. Alright, y'all, right now it is only 2:30, but I'm hopping in the shower because we have plans to go shop at the outlet. So it's pouring down rain, so we really have no other activity we can do. So we're gonna go shopping, but I'm gonna hop in the shower. Okay guys, right now it is 9:20 and me and Ali are headed out to the arcade one last time so we can play one more time and spend all of our credits. So we're headed there now. We went to the outlets. I didn't get anything at all. I didn't get anything at all, and I didn't vlog really either, so you didn't miss anything. But yeah, now we're on our way to the outlets.
We're on the way to the outlet.
I mean, we're on the way to the arcade. So, woo! Alright y'all, we cashed out at the arcade. Got a whole bunch of stuff and I'll do a haul when we get back to the house because I got a lot of stuff. Okay guys, it is 10:18. We are back at the house. We're eating some dessert. Yes.
Yes?
No. And I want to show you all of the things I got at the arcade, and all of the things that I got are from tickets I earned this year and last year, and it was over 3,000. Almost at 4,000, but yeah, let me show you everything I got. So I got 2 airheads, this ball, a thing of Tootsie Rolls, got these popsicle lights and they're super cute and glittery. I got this cactus light. Then I got this disco light. I got this a couple years ago and I used it, and then Bonchaz wanted it, so I gave it to him and it broke, so I got him a new one. And last but not least, I got a rainbow, flashing rainbow light. So right now it is almost 12 o'clock and I just wanted to go ahead and let you guys know that I'm in bed, but this isn't the end of the vlog yet because I am going to be adding tomorrow into this vlog, just because tomorrow, as you guys know, we're traveling back home and that won't be enough for its own separate vlog, so I'm just going to add it in this video. But I just want to let you guys know I'm in bed now. Me and my sister packed up the room for the most part. Which I should have vlogged, but I didn't. But yeah, so I'll see you guys. For you it'll be just a second, but I'm going to bed and will be leaving tomorrow, sadly. Good morning, guys. It is actually 7:15 right now. I think we've been up for probably 45 minutes. And me and Aaliyah have everything packed. We're just waiting on everyone else, really. For the most part, we have everything together. We're just getting last final things. And I'm gonna take another walk through and make sure. All right, we're headed out. Let's do one last look over the balcony. Okay guys, it is 8:30 and we are finally on the road. If you watched a couple vlogs back, you saw we got a couple movies from Walmart and we're about to watch Mama. So yeah, we're on the road. So I just wanted to let you guys know.